How to make blue cheese dressing. I'm Stacy Lynn, and I'm going to show you one of the easiest dressings ever to make that is so versatile that it goes with just about everything. I've got a couple of things to show you on what it's going to go on after we make it right here. Okay, so super easy. You do about a half a cup of sour cream, and I'm not going to measure it because it's going to be just fine. I mean, if I'm off like by a centimeter, it's just not a big deal. I'm not sure that that's a measurement, but, well, it is a measurement, but I'm not sure about to measure ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to do a half a cup of sour cream, a half a cup of mayonnaise, and I have Duke's mayonnaise. Hellmann's is good. Use your favorite mayonnaise, whatever you like is just fine. And about a quarter cup of buttermilk. All right. I'm gonna see if this is a consistency that I like. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to it. Okay, a little bit more. And a little pepper. All right, now, I think I'm going to use a whisk for this. Okay. Here we go. Much, much better and creamier. This is going to make a really, really creamy base for the blue cheese. So, blue cheese is kind of interesting. If you're looking at blue cheeses and where they come from, Roquefort comes from France. And Gorgonzola comes from Italy. And there are now some new ones, Stilton, I think, or something like that. And then there are a few from Poland. So anyway, it's pretty interesting. From the Danish, I think is what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna add in the blue cheese. And I'm going to cut a lemon and add a half of a juice of lemon. And if your blue cheese has a flat kind of flavor, then add a little bit more lemon to it. It'll really spice it up. Okay, let me get back my whisk here. Okay, I'm going to give it a taste and see if it needs any adjusting on the seasoning. I'm also kind of breaking up the clumps of blue cheese, but I think that a really good blue cheese has a little bit of chunk. Okay, just like my baby granddaughter. I like a little chunk, I really do. All right. I think it's pretty perfect. Okay, so we've got the really great blue cheese, and now here are a couple of things that you can have it with. So you can have it with a carrot. Delicious. And that is going to be so good. And if you want it creamier, just don't add quite as much buttermilk to it. Okay, so we've got a carrot going on. And then I'm going to add a little bit to this plate as a dip for my fried chicken. It's going to be great. And then I'm going to add it to my baked chicken that has a honey garlic drizzle. And now we have another layer of flavor. So good. But I think for right now, I'm going to have a bite of this. Yummy. Leg. It made all the difference in the world. Elevated it. So perfect. So I wanted to tell you to go to stacylynnharris.com, and the recipe is on my website under Blue Cheese Dressing. I also have that in the text of this video. I hope you'll give it a try. Super easy, fantastic recipe. You can have it on, wedge salads, every kind of meat you can imagine, and with your favorite vegetables. Talk to you later.